Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Learn technical analysis from me and learn how to trade. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Oh, that's my Bybit account. Technicals, and we're jumping into the chart. This is my watch list. These are the ones that I trade, buy, and seed invested. Uniswap, altcoins a little bit down. Nasdaq was up. Tesla slightly up. Meta was slightly up. Google up 1%. MCRT slightly even. Ethereum slightly down. Bitcoin slightly down. 57,400. On the weekly charts, I always start on the longer term time frame. Stochastic now oversold, and it's at the same point. It was this oversold the last time. It was more oversold than September. The last time this oversold Bitcoin was November 2022 when Bitcoin was at 15,800. We were this oversold when Bitcoin was at 15,800, and we finished the C wave correction. Now we're in the first impulse wave, in my opinion. Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the Crypto Master Course at jamescryptoguru.com. Blue buy. It fired back in February 2023, and it's still a blue buy now. Hasn't flipped to a red sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at the top, didn't yet fire a buy. You get these both in the Crypto Guru Master Course. Let's go close on the daily. Symmetrical triangle broke out as I predicted. Lots of volume coming in as well, and we broke that symmetrical triangle out to the upside on the first impulse. Let's go close onto the 4 hourly, and you can see my yesterday's video. I talked about this. I predicted a symmetrical triangle builds pressure and breaks out, and we got that breakout. We went to 59,000. The high was 59,471, then getting rejected. But at the same time, I'll keep the same trade that I had open yesterday, opening at 55,850, stop loss 55,400. Actually, no, now it broke out of this symmetrical triangle, broke out and retested and bounced with volume. So can activate a long on this bounce. So onto support, I would open a long from there. That's the opening the trade at 56,675, stop loss 56,513, take profit 62k. The monthly resistance, risk toward 38 times, risking $162 per Bitcoin to make 6,260. So my stop loss is how much I risk. So you can see here from 56,675, I'm risking $162 before my stop loss automatically triggers. And if it breaks out and pumps up, my target is 62,000. So I'll make 6,260 on the automatic close of this trade at 62,936. You set your trades before you start. That's the riskier trade, and the safer trade is taking from 52k. However, I don't think we're going to go down that low. Why? Because yesterday the German government sold another $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, and the price actually went up to 59k. They sold another billion. They only have one more billion left. They had 3 billion. They sold 1 billion during the 4th of July and dropped the price down all the way to 53. They sold 1 billion yesterday, and now they have $1 billion left, the German government, of Bitcoin, which is very interesting. So those are my trades on Bitcoin. Let's jump into the technical. For Ethereum, these two are my trades, 52 and 56. These two trades with the stop losses. How you read my trades is the green line is where the gray line is where the trade activates, 56,675. That's where you set your limit order. The stop loss, automatic stop loss, is set at 56,513, and the take profit is set at 62,936. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do on my account, go underneath the video. $500,000 account, you're going to see me trade. Bybit, you get a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. Take all the courses, otherwise you're gambling. The Laws of Money, Crypto Master Course, Stock Guru Master Course, Crypto Master Course, you get the Bitcoin Indicator Bot and the Crypto Guru Bot. All three courses, there's around 30 plus hours of lessons. And join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 traders inside the Telegrams. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade, $8,700 in the negative. Yesterday it came close to positive. We came to 59k. Which is beautiful, but now it's back again, slightly down 9k. This trade is a $267,000 Bitcoin trade. 525 in this count. The bottom was 513 yesterday, 530, so we're just about down a little bit. Down 1,700 yesterday. I've got 183 cash, 73 in Bitcoin, 1.2 Bitcoin, 71 in MCRT, slightly up, 44 in Uniswap, slightly down, 40 in Doge, slightly up, 35 in World, slightly up, 8 in Pocket, slightly down. I'm going to set a buy order for Pocket. It seems to be. Let's set a buy order for $5,000 at 3 cents, just because if there's a drop on Bitcoin, we can pick up some cheap Pocket, in my opinion. Let's quickly go into Ethereum on the technicals. Ethereum. Actually, I'm going to go into the chats and see what you guys requested. These are the chats from yesterday. Does anyone know of a tool I can use to automate token purchases? On Bybit, you can set DCA schedules to buy. I missed the train on Tesla, up 83% since we bought the bottom, everyone. I would set buy orders at 170 or 140 to rebuy. I wouldn't buy in now at resistance. Hi all, do you know any tools automated Bybit you can DCA? Could there be a delayed drop? Unlikely, because German government was selling yesterday again and we still managed to maintain our price. Bro, your numbers on the profits are always wrong. You cannot risk 350 to make 7,500 on no leverage. That's impossible. That's not correct. So this is how you do it. Like I'll explain again. So for example, this trade is risking 38 risk to reward ratio, risking $162 to make 6,260 on Bitcoin, right? So how do I do that? How do I risk 160 to make 6,200? Because if I open the one Bitcoin trade at 56,675 and I set my automatic stop loss at 56,513, that means I can only risk $162. If the trade goes against me, $162, the stop loss will automatically trigger and close the trade. So I'm risking $162, and if Bitcoin goes up to my target of 63K, I'm risking $162, make $6,260 per Bitcoin with no leverage. If I use 10x leverage, then I would have $62,000 profits. And that's how you risk 350 to make 7,500. It's not impossible. Yes, this is interesting. That 1 billion sell-off almost did nothing. There was German government sold $1 billion yesterday and it barely moved the price. Doesn't everything move with Bitcoin? So how can Bitcoin only go to 63 and Solana all-time high? If Solana has a big move like that, will altcoin season begin? Yes. The reason is because Bitcoin just needs to stabilize. Bitcoin doesn't need to go up for the alts to go up. Remember, I've been telling you this for years. When Bitcoin goes up, alts go down. When Bitcoin goes down, alts go down. When Bitcoin goes sideways, alts go up. Remember this. When Bitcoin goes up, alts go down. When Bitcoin goes down, alts go down. When Bitcoin goes sideways and is stable and there's no panic, alts go up. So just keep that in mind. How do you believe these will rise at a time when German government selling large amounts of Bitcoin? They sold $1 billion yesterday of Bitcoin and the price went from 59 to 57. So their selling is getting eaten up. Thanks for Soul, no problem. Hi James, that's all. That's some of the messages, everyone. And don't forget, join us in the Telegram. There's 118 of you online talking about the CPI data coming up, talking about Apple Vision, talking about soccer, talking about Bitcoin targets. You can join them. Let's quickly jump into Ethereum. 3,089. Where is the major support on Ethereum? These two areas. I would keep these two trades. Oh, and yesterday's trade activated, everyone. Oh wait, no, did not yet activate. I would keep these two trades that I said in yesterday's video, 2,800 and 2,200 for activation on Ethereum. This one being the safer, you can see the main support area. If that support area breaks, next one down is the yearly support, which would be here, where we've got this other trade activation. So you can see these two at 2,800 is one and 2,294 is another. Again, all the links are down below, everyone. Go underneath the video, sign up, take Bybit to trade. It's the #1 exchange for trading, in my opinion. 2, the courses, take them all or you're gambling. And 3, join us in the Telegram. And I've made many multi-millionaires. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. Thank you, James. Your course is amazing. I'm buying a Villian Pantacana, made $500,000 profits in Neo. What else do we have? I made $20,000 in profits this year. Amazing, going for a lot more. Thanks a lot. And you can just see thousands of comments. I'm up 122,000 on my investment, almost doubled my money. Thanks for the info you bring. Being financially free is beautiful. And you can just see hundreds and hundreds of people commenting like this, and which is amazing. And that's my goal. I want you all to learn and study and join these other gurus. Greetings from Sweden. Bought a Ferrari 430 Scadia from your gains following your channel. I love to invest, but you have taken out some profits and live your life as well. you are a guru of investing. I'm telling my friends about this channel. Thank you. And you can just see many people the same kind of comments, which is beautiful. Bought your course a few months back, took some profits and bought a new Harley Davidson Road King. I love when people buy stuff with their gains. It just makes me happy. Make sure you do charity as well. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Have an amazing day. If you're skeptical, watch my videos every day. For more than 4 years, I've been making this channel now every day, the videos almost every day, and you can just watch it for free. Learn from me if you're skeptical, and take the courses before you start trading to understand what you're doing. Join us in the Telegram, study, learn. Or make sure you protect your capital. Make sure you learn from your losses. Your losses are not for you to cry and quit. Your losses are for you to learn your mistakes and don't make them again. Don't risk all your money on any trade. Never risk more than 10%. Never risk more than 3% on any trade, any movement until you get good. And even now, I'm like one of the best traders in the world. I've got 250,000 followers across my socials, and I never risk more than 10% of my portfolio, my assets on anything. Doesn't matter. Even when I bought Tesla the other day, I don't go more than 10% of my assets into anything. When I bought Tesla at 141. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.